Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Notion for beginners. So first you have to open a web browser and there you have to search for Notion and then you will get this first link, simply open it up. And after that you will get onto this website. Then you have to click onto this option get Notion for free and then simply sign up using your email address and it will take you to this page. Here we have some of the instructions written up there, like how you can use it and what things you should do to use this one. You can read it, it will be really helpful. As all the options are listed on the left side, so we will start with the first one, which is called a search. If you want to search for any specific word or something for any work you have done, you can do from there. Then the second option is for the AI bot. You can literally ask it anything and it will do it. It will help you write things, build stuff for you. You can create list with the help of it and you have any task you can do it. Then you will find your work that you have done up there. Then here we also have the inbox for messages and stuff. Then if you go to the new page, it will be a blank canvas and there we have different options. First, we have this one, the Ask AI, which is we have just discussed the AI of Notion. It's an AI bot. You can ask it to anything, it will do it. You can even ask it to do any task, it will perform it for you. Whatever you ask to it, it will generate answer to it. Even if you tell it to do any of your work that you want to, it will also do it. Other than AI, we have this Meet one. You can enable this feature while you're doing a meeting. It will answer based on what the other person is asking to you. So it will be really helpful if you want to give interviews or maybe you have Viva or anything that requires you to answer something, so you can use it while you're doing a meeting. Other than that, you can give it your data to it and it will summarize it for you. There are different sort of templates available. You can choose the one that prefers your work. You can just simply select it and after that you can just simply put your data and you can categorize it and you can literally manage your work like task. If you have any activities, if you have a team, you have appointed some work, so you can manage all that. Other than that, there are hundreds of different templates available. You can get any one of these based on your work requirement and you can input your data and manage your work. Like if you're a teacher and you have a lot of students, you can manage their marks, their assignments, you can do their grading there, and everything related to your work you can manage through these templates. In short, if your work is task based or if you have some data entry work or maybe a lot of data that you want to arrange and manage, then Notion could be helpful for you. So that's how you can use Notion. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.